Oh. So who do we blame for this ungodly hour in the morning?
Not me.
I'm not bothering with my intercom. I'm going to save the battery.
Sorry.
That's all flash, isn't it?
Wrong button.
Next up, train station.
I think we're all clear.
Just a short 2.5 mile ride, 6 or 7 minutes. And here we are, Eurotunnel approach road. Let's get the booking reference ready. Come on there. I'll pick this up later. Good morning. Let's put the number in. What's the next lot? Confirm. Petrol. When he gives me the ticket. Hold on, hold that please, honey. You always get in the queue where somebody didn't know how to do it. Very good, love. Didn't used to have to come all the way around here. It's only been about a year or so that you've had to. What does that say, honey? L5. Jump off.
Get them out ready though.
Go on then. I'm ready.
I'll put my cushion in the back as well, right, because it's easy.
Just in case you fall on your back.
Yeah, bit of padding for you.
Never was any good on your back, was you?
What's the plan, Stan?
It said wait for call, but normally we just go through.
Yeah.
Dying for a coffee.
You ain't got time for that.
Get one of
I need
your
one.
I said to her, I said, get on the bike. And she said, what, now? I went, no, fucking tomorrow.
What was the reply?
It's a lovely seat, that.
I nearly took that off in the night as well.
It's a good job you didn't. Because I ain't riding on top of the battery.
What's this?
Horn. It's a horn.
Horn?
Yeah. Standard on these things, like that. Isn't yours there? You got one as well. Oh no. Yours is the coil.
I want to change the number plate. Put a smaller one on. I'll change the exhaust.
Yeah.
What exhausts have you got on that?
Tab Performance, they come from America.
Are they expensive?
You want to check on the import charges? I'll show you the website. You get some good Rhino ones for that. What type of shape would you want?
I like that.
Yeah?
I think that looks really good. It's in keeping with the back.
Yeah. That's why he did it.
No, I like them. I do like them.
I've got, it came with zombie baffles. And it's, you get a mile down the road and you want to pull your ears off. Those are the medium baffles that are on.
So did you get the whole thing then? The pipes as well?
Yeah, well, they're Vance and Hines dual dressers at the front and the top performance at the back.
I've been to all these places.
Liar.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I think we've got time for a coffee.
It's a nice bike that. You can get central locking for your tow pack and the boxes at the back.
That would be good. Do you not agree though, those keys are...
Oh yeah, the pain in the arse, especially when you keep up to open the boxes. When I got this, I think it was about 320 quid, something like that, this screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're 500 quid now.
They?
Yeah. Harley Davidson just don't know what they're doing, do they? At the end of the day, it's plastic with two metal struts. They're just ripping off the people who have kept them going for years.
Yeah.
But that's a real nice colour, that. Is that metallic?
Yeah. Yeah, and you could have chrome or black tail, and I liked the black tail.
Yeah, those wheels are nice though.
Yeah. Yeah, and the dash, you've got all the different settings, so you can alter all the layout.
That's a big bat wing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pick this up later.
Guy's lost his wallet somewhere between here and the train station.
Rich is always doing it.
He's always doing it.
What? He'll put forgetting. He'll be like, where's this? And you're like, oh.
I've been like that for a little while now.
Oh, he's terrible. You get in the car and I'll go, your wallet's in my bag, phone's in my bag, keys are in the bag. We'll get to the top of our hill, which is like literally, as soon as you got in the car, you're virtually at the top of the hill. I just told you, and I know what he's doing, and he just slams his brakes on, and he's like, that's a mad panic, and I go, I've got them all, they're all in the bag, I've just told you. But he's just in another, yeah, he's off with the fairies, like.
We're gonna send our man to the dementia house.
Thank you very much.
You're recording it.
Does it not block your view a bit?
No.
No. Yeah, you're over it, aren't you?
Yeah. I'm well over it. Do you want me to put your thing on?
Hmm? And I was holding it up each time like I had to show something. You were like,
Sons of Anarchy do.
Do that again. Right, next stop, Lil Harley Davidson.
It wasn't enough of it.
Bob head gloves. They do some good kit, you know. Right, ready? So, moving away from the services. On the way to Lil Harley Davidson. That's alright.
Gotta get used to going around the roundabout the wrong way. We found out that Lil Harley Davidson was closed, so we're gonna have a look in Triumph instead.
Triumph Lil. Usual stance.
I don't want a picture.
Oh no.
That one with blue.
Do that again. I'm filming. Well, we're back in Bouillon, and it's another lovely day. I'm here with him and her and her. Lovely day. We didn't come down here before, did we? Have a look at the fish. Nothing but blue skies from now on. There's the castle.
This is a drop somewhere. Couldn't do it. Oh, I'm afraid.
Are you scared? Are you worried about? Are you scared of heights? Yeah.
Good idea, this, isn't it? Keep doing it. Do it again, Rick. Yeah, you can.
It's a really nice place, isn't it?
It is. Oh, trying your best.
Oh look, there's a train, look.
I can't do it. We have faster trains than you.
Alright, that's enough. wasp catcher. Really nice here, I like it here. Might even retire here. Don't know what to do. Probably out on the bike all the time. On the way down for Bouillon Castle. Where are they? Give it a wave, give it a wave, give it a wave. So we're now leaving Bouillon, heading towards Bruges. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, that tunnel. So have you ever been riding down the country lanes, down the twisties, having a good time, and then all of a sudden the sat-nav strikes again and we find ourselves here. Alright, shall we do this?